Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlink audio from a video using DaVinci Resolve 21. So when you create a new project, this is what you're going to see. Go ahead and import the media file that you'd like to work on. I've already done so here as you can see. And I'm just going to drag and drop that into the timeline at the bottom. So once you load it in, you're going to notice that the audio and video appear as one in this view. You're not going to be able to make any cuts or changes on the video or audio independently of one another. So you're going to want to move over to the edit tab, which you can find at the bottom of your screen. And then here, you're going to see pretty much the same thing, except this time you'll notice that the video and audio tracks are separate, but you're still not going to be able to make cuts to one of them without leaving the other unaffected. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to left click on the video clip that you want to change or you want to edit, right click it, and then you're going to see this option that says link clips. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Control Alt L to toggle this very quickly. But go ahead and click on that, and as you can see, the chain icon at the bottom left of the media file has disappeared from the timeline. So now I can move the video clip while leaving the audio clip unaffected. And I can make cuts to the audio clip without the video clip being affected either. So this is really useful and something you're going to want to make yourself familiar with if you're working on stuff like podcasts or just general video editing. Really quick, really easy, and really simple. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.